With the support of the United States Agency for International Development, the Regional Environmental Center for Central Asia has been implementing the Smart Waters project, one of the largest initiatives on enhancing water resources management in the Central Asian region and Afghanistan. The basin planning approach aims to facilitate stakeholder engagement via small basin councils, or SBCs, to ensure public participation in water resources management and decision-making. The Aspara River, approximately 108 kilometers long, flows through Kazakhstan and Kyrgyzstan, supplying irrigation water to over 10,000 hectares of agricultural land in both riparians. Food security concerns in the watershed have forced SBC members to focus on better land cultivation methods and reduction of water losses. As the result, thanks to the project, the SBC has purchased a high-tech comb seeder and an excavator to clean irrigation and drainage networks. The excavator will allow farmers to clean irrigation canals and drainage networks quicker and without additional financial costs for renting equipment. The machinery will increase the canal's efficiency by 20 to 25%, reduce water losses by up to 30%, as well as enhance water supply to farmland by 20%. Due to water deficit, the Council decided to try out this water-saving technology. The results are already obvious. Today, in Merked district, we have about 100 hectares of land under this technology, and expect to get 80 to 100 tons of produce per hectare thanks to it.